In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cTrader trailing stop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to activate a trailing stop on an existing position, what the settings mean, and a few tips to make sure it works the way you expect. First, let's quickly define what a trailing stop is. Unlike a regular stop loss that stays fixed, a trailing stop automatically moves with the price when your trade goes in your favor. It locks in profits by tightening the stop as the market moves, but it never moves in the opposite direction. If the market turns against you, the trailing stop stays put and can close the trade to protect your gains or limit losses. Start by opening your TradeWatch panel. This is the bottom area of cTrader where your open positions are listed. If you don't see it, look along the bottom of the platform and make sure the panel is expanded so you can view your active trades. Next, locate the specific position you want to add a trailing stop to. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right instrument and trade size, especially if you have multiple positions open in the same symbol. Right-click that position and choose Modify Position. This opens a dialog where you can manage risk settings without closing the trade. Inside the Modify dialog, look for the Trailing Stop Loss option. You'll see a checkbox to enable it. Check the box to turn it on. You'll then enter the number of pips you want the trailing stop to follow behind the current price. For context, a pip is the standard unit of price movement. On many Forex pairs, it's the fourth decimal place, while some instruments display different pip scales. Choose a distance that fits your strategy. Tighter values lock in profits sooner, but risk being triggered by normal noise, while wider values give the trade more room to breathe. After you've entered your pip distance, click Apply or Modify to save the change. From that point, the trailing stop is active. If you're long and price climbs, the stop will step up behind the market by the distance you set. If you're short and price falls, it will trail lower. If price reverses, the stop won't back up. It will remain where it last moved and can be hit if the pullback reaches it. A few final tips. Make sure your chosen distance respects your broker's minimum stop levels, and remember that highly volatile markets may require a larger trailing distance. If needed, you can return to Modify Position at any time to adjust or disable the trailing stop.